Top 3 foods to avoid while you are losing weight. Number 1, flavored sugary drinks kasi they are called empty calories, meaning nagdadagdag ka lang ng calories pero wala siyang sustansya. So instead, shift to water, shift to Japanese green tea because they help you boost your metabolism. Number 2, deep fried and breaded na mga pagkain. So instead of fried chicken, you go for adobo, you go for tinola, you go for baked or turbo or air fried, no? So, makakain ka pa rin ng crispy, roasted, pwede rin, pero without the added na mga fats na meron na nga sa karne, dinagdagan mo pa by deep frying and breading. And number 3, pastries and baked goodies, lahat ng mabibili mo sa mga bakery, nako, no yan kasi harina na, sugar na, may butter pa. And this will not do you any good, especially sa iyong belly fat. So are you looking for ways to manage your weight na ma-enjoy mo pa rin yung mga pagkain? Get a meal guide, personalized coaching, and nutrition-based weight management program from us. All you have to do is chat us.